Today we will solve some more questions on rational numbers. Suppose you get a question, simplify. इसकी 2/3 into -1/4 plus 3/4 minus 2/3 into 1/5. So look at this question. There are three parts. One part is here, plus second part, minus third part. Here is 2/3, but there is no 2/3 here, but here is 2/3. So these two will combine, means 2/3 into -1/4. Then this you will write here minus 2/3 into 1/5. This is one group, then plus 3/4. Okay. Then distributive property, take out 2/3 minus 1/4 minus 1/5 plus 3/4. 2/3 4 5 का LCM 20 minus 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 1 into 4 plus 3/4. 2/3 minus 5 minus 4 by 20 plus 3/4. This is 2/3 into minus, this is minus 9 by 20 plus 3/4. 2 1 2 10 3 1 3 3. So 1 into 3 minus 8 here, minus 3/10 plus 3/4. Okay. Now 10 4 का LCM, or you can do like this also. You can write 10 into 4. This 4 will multiply, this 10 will multiply. Minus 3 into 4 plus 3 into 10. Okay. That is minus 12 plus 30 by 10 into 4 is 40. 30 minus 12, 18 by 40. You can cancel 2, 9, 2, 20. 9 by 20. This is one way of simplification. Suppose you want to find okay, you'll find a question, find additive inverse of minus 2/3, second minus or plus 5, third 2 into 1/3. So how to find solution? Number, additive inverse. Number is minus 2/3. Additive inverse means same number, sign change, minus will be plus 2/3. Then 5 का additive inverse minus 5. Same number, only sign is changed. Then 2 1/3, mixed fraction. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7/3. Additive inverse minus 7/3. So you'll get a question. Question will find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of first minus 4 by 5, second minus 3, third 4, fourth 1 2 by 5. Okay, here the same method. Solution: number multiplicative inverse. Okay, what is the number? Number is minus 4 by 5. Additive में sign change, multiplicative में no sign, no change of sign. This will be ulta, 5 by minus 4, just ulta. Then minus 3 means minus 3 by 1, ulta will be 1 by minus 3. 4 means 4 by 1, ulta multiplicative inverse 1 by 4. Okay, then 1 2 by 5, 5 on the 5 plus 2, 7 by 5, multiplicative will be ulta, 5 by 7. This is multiplicative inverse. Okay, then you will get question will be there. Verify that minus of minus x equals to x. So first question, x is equal to minus 4 by 9. Second, x equals to 3 by 4. How to verify? First question, x equals to minus 4 by 9. So the minus of minus x, minus of minus 4 by 9. That is minus of minus plus 4 by 9. Okay, so this is minus 4 by 9. इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? 4 by 9. Or you can do minus into minus, minus into plus is minus 4 by 9, which is x. Second, x equals to 3 by 4, minus of minus x. So minus 3 by 4, minus into minus plus 3 by 4. Verification. Okay, now क्वेश्चन आएगा, नेम द प्रॉपर्टी यूज्ड in the following questions. That is, suppose I have got a question, 2 by 3 into 1 is 1 into 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3. That means when you are multiplying 1 to a number, you are getting same number. Which property is used? The multiplicative identity property is used. Second, 4 plus minus 4 equals to 0. So when you add two numbers 0, which property? Now additive inverse, because additive inverse mein when you add this, that becomes 0. Additive inverse property is used. Then third, minus 1 by 7 into 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 7. Which property is this? Ulta. This into this is ulta. Means commutative. Commutative property of multiplication. This is commutative property of multiplication. Okay, then suppose you got suppose you get find the reciprocal of minus 3 by 5, 2 by 9, 3. So question is number reciprocal. Reciprocal minus 3 by 5. Reciprocal means just ulta. 5 by minus 3. 2 by 9. Reciprocal means just ulta. 9 by 2. 3. 3 means 3 by 1. 1 by 3. Sometimes you get a question. Sometimes you will get a question like this. Suppose you get a question. Question is multiply 3 by 4 to the reciprocal of 1 by 9. Means which one? Now 3 by 4 multiply with whom? ना इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 9 by 1. इसका रेसिप्रोकल दिस यू टू मल्टीप्लाई. So 9 3 is 27 by 4. Suppose you get 8 minus 4 to the additive inverse of 5. Means solution minus 4 plus which one? 8. This with which na additive inverse of 5. इसका additive inverse, that is minus 5. So same sign you get, that is minus 9. Okay, now you can get multiplied क्वेश्चन आएगा is 0.3 is multiplicative inverse of 1/3. Let's check. Now 0.3 write in decimal, write in fraction. Now for decimal you write 1, after decimal 1 digit 10, so 3/10. Okay, is मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा ना? दैट इज 10/3. 10/3 मीन्स 10 को 3 में डिवाइड करो. 3 3 जा 9. So 3 remainder by this quotient, remainder by divisor means correct. True. Okay, question. Name the property used. 2 into 1/3 into 4. 2 into 1/3 into 4. Which property? Now associative property of multiplication. Second right. Associative property of multiplication. So 1.1 exercise you have to complete, then I will start a new one.